Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis back on Friday, but want to get things updated here as Bitcoin has made a very nice move over the past couple of days. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So even with this video, if you watch this, let's just call it, 20 hours from now, sure, the chart's going to look a little bit different to you, but my goal here is to just talk about more so broad levels so that this video remains relevant for as long as possible. Now, the first update that doesn't even be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, which brings about the first question to ask yourself. So again, we'll go with the 20-hour number. Let's say you watch this video 20 hours from now. First question to ask yourself, where is the price relative to 71.50, which is that green line? If you are answering that the price is still up above 71.50 20 hours from now, that's great. That means that the trend is continuing. It may not necessarily mean that any continuation has happened, but at least means that consolidations are happening at a higher level. And as long as consolidations happen higher and higher from the big picture of it all, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Now, if you answer the question that the price is actually below 71.50, that's not the end of the world. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin totally ruined or anything like that. However, the next question you need to immediately ask yourself is, okay, well, where does the price stand relative to the 50-period simple moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by the purple line? If the price happens to be down below that one too, then at that time, I'm not saying, again, that the chart's totally ruined, but that would be getting a little sketchy. The chart, I would be getting a little bit more skeptical, but I mean, it would take a lot more of a pullback than just those levels for, me to say that the chart is totally ruined or anything like that. So again, these will be the first two questions to ask yourself. Now, on the flip side of things, if you're saying, well, Clay, I answered the question that the price is still above 71.50, and not only that, it's actually a lot further up above it. So for example, it's at like 7,500 right now. Well, at that point in time, it's pretty straightforward in terms of what the current status of the chart is. It just means that continuation has occurred and it continues to occur, and the bulls are getting that much stronger. So use those questions and levels to ask yourself, and like I said, that'll keep this video relevant to you for as long as possible. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.